smart kid. Hi, let's play and do a jigsaw puzzle. We will spin this roulette wheel and choose a picture puzzle to make. We will make a jigsaw puzzle of this bulldozer. That is the cab of the bulldozer. And here is the large bulldozer shovel. Here is our completed bulldozer picture. Let's make another jigsaw puzzle. We will spin the roulette wheel again. Okay, let's make this helicopter. Can you see it now? We have made the big propeller of the helicopter. And now we have finished our picture so the helicopter can fly away. Let's make another jigsaw puzzle. We spin the roulette wheel again. Okay, now we will make this car. Here is the bonnet and windscreen. And our car picture is complete. Now the car is driving away. Bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Kid.